Well, somebody's not having a good day. Hopefully it's not too serious. Okay guys, welcome to the Trucker John Show. Today is Thursday, May 6, 2019. Glad you could be here. We got to pull around to receiving here, get checked in, see if we can get unloaded. Let's get our day started. Okay guys, we are empty here at New Hartford, so we're going to get the trailer ready to head on down the road. We got to close the doors and slide the tandems and all that good stuff. Sure is nice out this afternoon. Okay, we are ready to go. Okay guys, we are finally rolling out of New Hartford. We're headed back to Breinigsville. We're gonna pick up and we're going to Auburn, New York for tomorrow's delivery. If our load is ready down there in Breinigsville, it should be in Auburn before midnight or around midnight. Depends on how many stops and if I hit any traffic or anything. See, this next week here, a week from tomorrow, will actually be a week from today, we'll be trying to get a load that's going out towards Western PA, or I mean a Rochester load would work. We do have two stores we do out in Franklin and Hermitage, PA. Hopefully we get one of them for next Thursday. That'd be good. There's going to be going to the shop for Friday next week. So I'm actually going to get over to the shop Thursday night next week, and Pat the mechanic's going to start in on the truck first thing Friday morning, check a few things to see if we need any parts, and so we can get them in by Friday, you know, on Friday, if it's something that we can get, and work on the truck all day Friday and maybe possibly even part of Saturday. We'll see. But the plan would be to get done Friday night, and then by Saturday I'll have a 34-hour restart in, and I'll head back to Breinigsville and pick up my load for Monday and possibly be home on late Saturday night or Sunday morning. Hoping to be anyway. We got a Father's Day picnic at the Model Airplane Club on Father's Day, so I hope I can make it. We're going to get the truck serviced. Going to get the APU serviced. We're going to get the coolant flushed and refilled with new coolant, new coolant filter, new thermostats in the motor, New bottom pipe. That's the pipe that goes from the radiator over to the water pump. That's getting all like corroded out. They asked me if I wanted a stainless steel one, and they're pretty expensive. I said, no, just get the regular one. That'll last 4 or 5 years. 4 or 5 years, this truck will have 1 million miles on it, so it might be time to trade for another one again, or we'll see what happens at the time. 4 or 5 years is a lot of time, so just get the regular one. It's a lot cheaper. And just going to do a general check over of the truck. He goes over my truck and looks at everything. This way, you know, especially, you know, things like brakes and wheel seals and stuff like that. And then, you know, if we see something that looks like it's going to be needing to be done soon, then we can set it up for next time. I can get the parts in, have the parts there. That's usually how I work with my mechanic. We will talk to you when we get down to Breinigsville. Don't think I'm stopping anywhere. If I do, I'll talk to you then. Okay, guys. See you a little bit later. Well, I've dropped my empty. I went to the office and the load's not ready. It's next up on the list to be done, but we'll see. Hopefully we'll have it in the next hour. I'm hoping. All right, guys. We finally got out of Breinigsville there. Now it's 11:30 at night, so they didn't get the load ready till, well, he called me at 10:45. Said paperwork was ready. By the time I got out of the yard, it was 11:15. Yeah, we're just cruising on 22 here through Allentown, headed over to 33 North, going up that way tonight. 33 North up to 80, and then 380 up towards Scranton. 81 north into New York. Yeah, we're not going to be... There's a GPS says 3:15 a.m. arrival. I think that's taking me a different way that I'm going to go. I think my way is shorter and faster. Okay, I'm all done for the day. I'm here in Auburn, New York. We're going to be delivering here as early as we can tomorrow so we can get right on home. But anyway, I want to thank you for joining me today here on the Trucker John Show. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Leave me a comment if you want. And think about subscribing. Okay, guys, we will talk to you later. Take care.